How you doing here? Jason, once again with how to move to Thailand. And first of all, thank you guys for the emails. We truly appreciate it. I know we're a small channel, but I appreciate that how we're able to help you folks and keep those emails coming. It's so powerful. So before we kind of get into the topic, we're excited to announce we created these 3 amazing tools. Obviously, the most popular is our ebook. Secondly, we created a tool you're going to able to design your lifestyle before you get here. We were able to cut our costs down to 60% by moving to Thailand and designing your lifestyle. So how it works really quick. So you're going to able to know the cost of everything based on the location, based on your spending habits, and it's going to kind of break everything down. And you're going to know what you need before you get here, but most importantly, what your monthly lifestyle is going to look like. We are proud to announce. And lastly, we created a 90-day reminder for, we have to do these check-ins every 90 days. We created an email tool that's going to remind you so you can sit back and relax. And then I invite you guys to go and check that out. We are so excited about these products, and we look forward to the feedback, what we're able to create. It took some time, but we created it. So I invite you guys to, check it out. Now, let's kind of get into the topic. So I've been running into so many Americans, and I'm so proud to see this, right? This truly is truly amazing. It feels like the eyes have been wide open lately because I've never over the years seen so many Americans I've been seeing thus far. Let me put the lighting. So, wow, what's the shift? So I think, and this is not a bash of the States. I am from the States, and I'm proud to be American, but I want to get to experience the world. I want to get to experience different, I want to, before I retire, I want to see what's out there in the world. But we have to be honest. Look what's going on back home. Look what's going on back home. And it just kind of baffles me, people in fear for their life on a daily basis, people feeling lost, the cost of living. I mean, I can go on and on and on. And the things that's just, kind of baffled me. What took us so long to kind of just put ourselves out there to experience the world? What has been holding us back from trying, right? And I think I have come to the conclusion, a lot of people, they just fear the unknown, right? It's like, can I really move to Thailand? Like how, what, when, where, right? And I get it. I know it's a scary thing, moving into a foreign country that you haven't been. And a lot of misinformation is out there, right? A lot of misinformation on how does things, can I just book a ticket and just kind of show up to Thailand? And a lot of it is not real, right? A lot of it is not real because a lot of people, and it's showing, right? They don't truly live here. They just go in and out of the country, right? And it's not here, haven't been here long term, right? We've been over here for well over plus 9 years together. And and this is the reason why we created this channel, to really help people, to show them what's real and what's not. So, and sorry, I know I kind of ramble because it's a bit of passion. I really truly believe we need to open our eyes. And if you're someone that's looking to move to Thailand, you need to plan correctly, right? That winging it stuff, just book a ticket, is not gonna work, right? Because like things have cracked down. They have cracked down on people who are just coming here and trying to live here. But what's most appalling to me is people don't really have a plan. They don't have like a proper remote job to kind of like, they're just going based on the savings that they have. But the thing is, they think they have enough, but it's really not enough, because guess what? Money runs out, right? The money runs out, and I get it. What's going on back home? You're afraid, maybe scared, like you're feeling lost. It's like, you know what? I need to do this now. I'm just gonna book a one-way ticket. Do not do that, because you will get wrecked. And I advise you too to look up other videos on people who done these things and the outcome. I'm not saying like things will not work out, but that is like gambling, right? Like, think about it. I'm gonna book a one-way ticket. I have a few thousand, like, what I'm gonna do? Do I have a stable income? Do I have insurance if things go wrong? Do I have enough money to fly myself back right away, right? Because say if you had to book a last-minute flight, something happened, that flight can run you a few $100s or not $1,000. Will I have enough? Right? So this is something we truly, truly have to think about. So I want to kind of, restructure your mind if you truly looking to make Thailand your home, right? And I know everyone is going to be in different circumstances. Some of you may be, semi-retired. Some of you maybe you're going to be retiring soon, or some of you may be just like, you know what? I want to explore Thailand for a few months and see if this truly home. And what I recommend the most, I recommend you explore Thailand for a little bit and see where you want to live in Thailand, right? Because you have so many parts. You have Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phuket, Krabi. You have, different parts of the islands. See where makes the most sense for you and kind of interject yourself in the culture. But most importantly, I want you to, and this is for people who are looking to potentially move here, right? I want to know, what is your plan? Let's have a plan A, plan B, and plan C, right? Firstly, do I have a remote job, right? Because that's very important. I'm going to need to take care of myself, right? So do I have a remote job? Okay, if I don't have a remote job, what is my plan to get a remote job before I come here, right? Because we're not going to wing it. Secondly, how much money do I have saved, right? In case I had the remote job, things went wrong, how many months, right? So that's going to be based on your lifestyle, how you see things here. What part of Thailand you plan to live, right? So I can say, hey, I have 6 months of savings based on my lifestyle that I designed. And I also have emergency fund. In case something went wrong, I can kind of like finagle my way and kind of reorganize myself that I will not get wrecked, right? Plan C. If I created plan A and plan B don't work out, what is the worst case scenario, right? So you're now preparing yourself, right, on plan C. If all falls apart, this is what I'm looking at, and I'll be okay with that because I already planned for this, right? So I kind of prepare myself. I'm not preparing myself for failure. This is where we're not going here. This is not where I'm going with it. I'm preparing myself for the worst case scenario, right? And this is how you are setting yourself up for success, because you're planning. And I didn't have anyone to help me. And it cost me thousands of dollars. I was in an accident a few years ago in Phuket. Luckily I had the money, but if I didn't, I would not have gotten treatment. Here in Thailand, you do not have money or insurance, you will not get treated. This is not back home, right? That they have to treat you. No, right? This is not how Thailand works. So I'm just kind of being honest with you, and I hope this is going to get through to, a lot of people. I'm truly, truly hopeful to understand if anything happens, you are responsible to have an insurance. And I'm appalled for a lot of people who come here, they don't have insurance. What? Huh? That is irresponsible. So make sure whether you come in here for a few months or not, you have insurance in case something happens, because you're just going to make things complicated for your family back home if you do not have insurance, right? So I don't want to drag this video out for too long. I hope we can be a tool to helping you structure your life here in Thailand, but having an actual plan with intentions that truly going to help you to live here a long term, or somewhere maybe this can be your transitional place onto your forever home. So first of all, thank you guys once again for checking out our channel. Jason